Hi again, I'm back for the third video, okay? As I mentioned in the previous video, if you want to see all my videos without having to wait for the links to pop up on your text message, or sometimes, we make a mistake and we forget to include your phone number in the large group text message room, go to YouTube, okay? Go to YouTube, and then in the YouTube, search ESL CPAX 2020, okay? ESL CPAX 2020. And when you get to that page, click on video, okay? It's about there in the screen, okay? Click on video, then you'll see all of my uploaded videos, and you'll also see everybody else's, all the other teachers, okay? So you can watch as many videos as you want, and you could probably learn a lot more just, from watching other teachers as well. As you know, all of these videos will be taken off after 2 weeks, okay? So make sure you watch them, okay? And the most important thing after you watch them for us is that you need to text us back, okay? Text the large room, text back the office saying that you watched the video, because we need to document that, make sure that everybody's watching, okay? All right, so today we are going to talk about prepositions today, a little bit more about prepositions. Prepositions, okay? Okay, just like the articles, prepositions, they seem easy, but then they're very hard to master. Unless you get the prepositions correct, you can't really say you're fluent. And, prepositions are one of those things. They don't look like much, but it is very hard to use them properly, okay? Because, again, there's really no logic. There's no really, set rules for prepositions. You just have to just speak it fluently, okay? It just has to roll off your tongue naturally, okay, automatically, okay? So, but we do have few rules, okay? A few general rules that we want to talk about. And today, I want to focus mainly on three: in, on, and at. Okay, in, on, at. Okay, now we have a lot of confusion. Okay, when we talk about in, on, at. Okay, and when somebody's learning English as a second or third language, it's very, very difficult, because when you're just learning a language, you don't feel it, because it's not your first language. It's not your mother tongue. So in the beginning, when you're learning, because you can't really memorize these things, you can't really feel them. So what do? You make mistakes. Okay, you use it the wrong way. So we're gonna just talk about these generally. Okay, so in, on, at. We have these three, and they're very confusing. When do we use these things? Okay, now I want to just talk about two topics here. Okay, I'll talk about two topics. Okay, two topics. Okay, and first of all, I want to talk about place, okay, or places, okay, place or places, okay. Now, for places, we use in for what? We use in for what? We use in for countries, states, cities. Okay, so you say I live in the United States. I live in the state of Georgia. I live in Atlanta. Okay, so we use in for countries, states, and cities. Okay, how about on? When do we use on? When do we use on? We use on for what? Yeah, like streets. Streets. Okay? Streets. All right, for example, I live on Pleasant Hill Road. Okay? Or the store is located on Pleasant Hill Road. Okay, or I saw an accident on Pleasant Hill Road. And okay, I mean on. Okay, um, I saw a dog walking on I-85. Okay, so these are like streets, roads. Okay, we use on. Okay, on the road, right? All right. How about at? What's at? Okay. Okay. If this is a street, okay, this is a street. If that's a street, okay, at is what? At is like a point on the street. That's at. Okay. So, for example, an address. Okay, address. You know, you don't say I live on 123 Main Street. Okay, you say I live at 123 Main Street. Okay, you can say, you know, I go to a gas station on Main Street, but you have to say the gas station is at 1234 Main Street. Okay, so you know, a point, an exact address. That's at. Okay, or maybe an intersection. Okay, intersection. Okay, intersection. Okay, so you have Pleasant Hill Road, and maybe what's a road? You could say satellite. Okay, satellite boulevard. Okay, satellite. Okay, so you say what? The store is on the intersection of Pleasant Hill. I'm sorry, at the. I'm sorry. The store is at the intersection of Pleasant Hill Road and Satellite Boulevard. Okay. Or I saw an accident at the intersection of Steve Reynolds and um, Steve Reynolds and Beaver Ruin. Okay. So that's at. At. Okay. It's a point on the road. Okay, address and intersection. Okay, easy. Okay, so if you noticed, you know, this way, well, when we go up is big, right? Big things, right? Countries, states, cities, and then on is like medium in the middle, and then you got the point. Okay, the smallest unit, address, exact address, or at the intersection, at the cross section. Okay, a point on the road. Okay, so it gets big going up and it gets small going down. Okay, so N is used for big things, on is for medium things, okay, regular things, and then at is for the small things. Okay, all right. So how about time? How about time? How about time? Okay, so time, same thing. Year. Okay, months. Okay, so you say, I was born in 1990, right? In 1990, right? I was in Canada in 2010. Okay, in. Okay, how about month? Okay, I was. I'll see you in July. I was born in April. Okay? In. Okay? How about on? On is what? On is like date and day. Okay? Okay? I'll see you. I'll see you on April 30th. I'll see you on April 30th. Or I'll see you on Monday. Or on Wednesday. Okay? On. And then at, what's at? At is exact time, okay? Exact time. Like 7 p.m., okay? The party begins at 7 p.m., okay? Or I woke up this morning at 8 a.m., okay? So at is like exact time, okay? Exact time, okay? exact time. All right. So again, just like places, the times, okay, when you go up with the in is for big things, right? Year, months. And then on is the medium, okay? It's in the middle. Date and days, okay? Dates and days. And then at we use for exact point in time, okay? If we have a timeline, exact point, that's at, okay? I'll see you at 2:30, okay? So again, places and time, we use in for big things, and then we use at for smallest things, okay? And then we use on for things in between, okay? This is a general rule. It's not always like this, but this is very general, okay? So we use in for big things, on for in the middle things, and at for smaller things, okay? So, you say, I live in a house, okay? House is what? House is not a big thing, okay? Just one house, okay? But we say in, okay? So it's not always like this, but in, on, at, in general, in is the biggest, at is the smallest, and on is in between, okay? All right, let's do a couple of exercises here. So if I say if I say I live Mexico, what goes there? I live on Mexico? At Mexico? No, I live in Mexico, right? Okay, good. What if I said I live Duluth? Okay, I live Duluth. I live in Duluth, right? All right. What if I said I live 840 Maple Street? I live at, okay? It says a specific address. But if I just put a road, you say I live on Maple Street, okay? Very easy, very easy. All right. What if I said, let's do some time. What if I said, I was born 1980. I was born, is it in, on, or at? I was born in, on, or at? Okay, this is in because it's a big thing, right? All right, I was born in 1980. What if I said April? I was born on April. I was born at April. No, I was born in April. Okay, I was born in April. The months and years we use in. Okay. What if I said I was born midnight? I was born midnight. Born in, born on, or born? Exactly. At. Okay? At. Okay? Why? Because midnight is what? Midnight is 12 p.m. or a.m.? Yes. 12 a.m. Okay? That's the exact point in time. Okay? All right. It's the same thing with noon. Okay? That's 12 what? p.m. Right? Okay? I was born in noon, on noon, at noon. Okay? It's the exact point in time. Okay? All right. But what if I said I was born Saturday? I was born Saturday. In Saturday? At Saturday? On Saturday. Exactly. On Saturday. All right. Let's do a couple more. What if I said I was born April 13th? Okay? That's what my email address. That's Choi413. That's my birthday, okay? April 13th. All right? I was born April 13th. Okay? What is it? That's a month, and that's a date, right? So what do? Okay, month is here, and date is there. You use in or on. Okay, we know it's not at. Okay, so that's just this is not important. Okay, important is the date. I was born on April 13th. Okay, if you didn't have the 13th, you'll be in, right? I was born in April, but when you put the date, I was born on April 13th. Okay, April 13th. Okay, easy, easy. All right. What if I said? Okay, let's do one more. This is gonna be a tough one. Okay, let me see. Let me see who knows this. Okay, let me see who's the person that knows the most. Okay, what if I said? What if I say I will see you? That's the 30th. Okay, I'll see you 30th. What is that? Is that it? I'll see you in 30th? Is that at? I'll see you at 30th? Probably not, right? So you think what? You think it's on? I'll see you on 30th? On 30th? Okay, they're all wrong. Okay, so I'm sorry. I give you a tough one. Okay, when you put just 30th, okay, when you put 30th without the month, just put the date, then you have to put what? Since it's a date, you gotta put on, but you also have to put the definite article, okay? I'll see you on the 30th, okay? The 30th, okay? Not just on 30th, on the 30th, okay? Why is that? Why is that? Okay? Remember, every month, well, except for February, every month has 30th except for February, okay? So if you don't put the definite article, if you say, I see you on 30th, you don't know which month, okay? But when you say the 30th, we know, okay? We know if you're fluent. I'll see you on that means the next one coming. The first 30th is coming. So today is what? April 22nd? So we're talking about I'll see you on the 30th means I'll see you on April 30th. Okay? So instead of saying on April 30th, we just say the 30th. Okay? When you hear the on the 30th, that means the next one coming. Okay? Not May 30th, not June 30th, not December 30th, but the next one. Today is April 22nd. So when you hear I'll see you on the 30th, it means I'll see you on the what? On April 30th. Okay? Very good. All right. So, if I said instead of 30th, I said I'll see you on the 10th, okay? If I say I'll see you on the 10th, today is April 22nd. Are we talking going back? No, you can't go back and see you, right? So it's not April 10th. When we say I'll see you on the 10th, that'll be May 10th. Okay? So that's on the 10th. Okay? Just in case. Okay? All right. So one more thing. I'm running out of time. One more thing I want to point out right here is that when you say when you write or speak in English, you wanna let's say you say I was born in 1980 in Mexico. Okay, for example, is that good? I was born in 1980 in Mexico. I mean, it's okay. There's nothing wrong. It's grammatically correct. But normally, this is not how we talk or write in English. Okay, because in 80 is time and Mexico is a place, right? We don't do this. In English, we like to put place before time. Okay? Remember, P comes before T, right? In the alphabet, P before T, right? Place before time. So instead of saying I was born in 1980 in Mexico, you'll say I was born in Mexico in 1980. Okay? You want to change that. Change the order. You want to put place before time when you write and speak in English. Okay? So another thing is my party is at 7:30 p.m. on not on at my house. Okay? All right. So again, I put the time and place like that. Okay? my party's at 7:30 p.m. at my house. It's okay, but the better way to do that in English is place before time. Okay, so you would say my party is at my house at 7:30 p.m. Okay, you want to put place before time when we put both elements in a sentence. Okay, in English, you want to put place before time. All right, I want to talk about a few more things, but I ran out of time. Okay, so I will see you next week. Okay, have a great rest of the week and a great weekend, and stay healthy and safe. And I'll see you next week. Okay, bye bye.